Today, I'm here to introduce the Oculoplasty department of Dr. Institute to you, and let's take a sneak peek into the work done by the department. So let's take a look. Eyes are the most delicate yet one of the most important senses that connect us with the surroundings. But when you think of eyes, what comes to our mind? Only the eyeball? Yeah, but there is a lot more to it. Eyes are surrounded by bones that protect the eye. There are eyelids, eyelashes, eyebrows, which all contribute to the function and protection of the eye. Today, I am here to introduce the Oculoplasty department of Dr. Institute to you, and let's take a sneak peek into the work done by the department. So let's take a look. Hello, I'm Dr. Sheetal Deshpande from Dr. Institute, and welcome to our channel iLogs, which has everything to do with vision and eye care. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, make sure to do so, and also hit the bell notification so that you get a notification every time we release a new video. Oculoplasty is the cosmetic, corrective and reconstructive surgery of the structures surrounding the eye. It's a surgical branch that deals with skin around the eye, the eyelids, eyebrows, tear ducts as well as the socket. All these structures are very important for the proper functioning of the eye, but as well they make the eyes look beautiful. The eye specialists who are specially trained to treat the structures surrounding the eye are called as oculoplasty surgeons. Let us begin with shutters of the eye, that is the eyelids. Normally, both the eyelids should open fully and close completely, but in some patients the eyes may not open fully, or maybe one eye looks smaller than the other. This condition is called as droopy eyelids or ptosis. It needs to be corrected surgically. Now we discuss lid margin abnormalities. Both the eyelids, the upper eyelid and the lower eyelid, they should touch the white of the eye symmetrically. But if eyelid margins are not properly aligned, if they are abnormally inturned or abnormally outturned, it can give rise to pain and discomfort. These are also treated surgically. Sometimes eyelid margins can be properly aligned, but the eyelashes could be misdirected towards the eye, so they keep rubbing the eye and they hurt the eyes. We offer treatment for such patients also, so that they are relieved of their symptoms. Let's talk about lumps and bumps on eyelids. We also deal with lumps and bumps on the eyelids. Sometimes a very small filling could be the first sign of a tumor. We treat all the tumors and masses in the vicinity of the eye. These patients have to be treated surgically. They need meticulous care and good postoperative follow-up. Some people, especially women, develop small yellowish nodules around the skin of the eye. This is because of fat and cholesterol deposits in the skin of the eye. We can also remove these surgically so that the beautiful look of the eye is restored again. Now we come to the discussion of blocked tear ducts. Our eyes have a natural cleaning mechanism. The tears are formed by the glands surrounding the eye. They cleanse the eye and they get automatically drained into the throat. But sometimes if there is a blockage into the drainage channel of the tears, they tend to accumulate. These patients suffer from excessive tearing from the eye, and sometimes it can also lead to formation of pus on the side of the nose. It can give rise to pain and swelling around the eye. In some unfortunate cases, this pus can spread around the eye and it can damage the eye and hence damaging the vision. We provide medical as well as surgical treatment for these cases also. We also have a prosthetic eye clinic where we give artificial eyes to the patients who have unfortunately lost an eye. We also give services for custom-made prosthesis. Here, a specially trained ocularist will make an artificial eye that matches perfectly well with the normal-looking eye, restoring the lost confidence as well as good looks. The patients of facial palsy are not able to completely close their eyes. This leads to dryness, infection as well as trauma to the eye. We give medical and surgical treatment to these patients so that eyes are completely closed, and even if they're not completely closed, we can at least save the eye from infection and dryness with proper medication. The patients of thyroid gland disorder also suffer from a lot of eye symptoms. We treat these patients also with proper medicine as well as surgeries. Some patients suffer from a disease called as oculofacial spasms. For these patients, the muscles surrounding the eye and the face is overacting, which gives rise to twitching of the eyes as well as face. We give injection Botox treatment to these patients. Injection Botox relaxes the muscles, giving a very good symptomatic relief for these patients. We also give injection Botox to the patients of very severe migrainous pain. Injection Botox is known to relax the muscles and hence relieve the symptoms. The patients who have been losing on their work days due to pain are greatly benefited with it, and it works wonders for them. Something about blepharoplastic surgeries. As we age, the skin around the eye becomes loose. It gives rise to bagginess and hollowness around the eyes. This makes us look old and sad. We do blepharoplasty surgeries to remove the excess of skin around the eye, restoring the youthful skin again. Now we discuss the magic of injection Botox and fillers. Injection Botox can also be given around the wrinkles of the eye, like the crow feet, as well as in the forehead lines, to restore the youthful look again. Injection fillers can also be given to reduce the sagginess of the skin. It gives a firm, youthful and hydrated look. Eyes are the windows to the soul. When we look at a face, it is the eyes that make the first impact. Size and shape of eyes, eyelashes, eyebrows determine the beauty of the face. We can do eyelash transplant for long lashes. We can enhance the beauty of eyebrows by procedures like dermabrasion or brow transplant. Friends, that brings me to the end of today's episode. Stay tuned to our channel for more such informative videos. And don't forget to spread the word with your family and friends. Goodbye.